guys! Welcome sa aking YouTube channel, and for today's video, gusto ko naman i-share sa inyo kung paano ba tayo makaka-avail ng Union Bank Reward Virtual Card. So if you want to know more, just keep on watching and don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa aking mga upcoming videos. But before that, if you want to know more about Union Bank, meron din ako mga videos ito guys, kung paano ba tayo makaka-avail, paano ba tayo magkakaroon ng Union Bank account, at kung paano ba tayo maka-avail ng iba pang features ni Union Bank. So ngayon guys, may napanood ako sa TikTok about dito kay Union Bank Reward Virtual Card, kung saan pwede mo to ma-avail online. So, nung klinik ko to sa isang content creator sa TikTok, at ang sabi dito ay get approved in as fast as 5 minutes. So, ganun lang siya kabilis nung ma-approve, no? Pero bukod doon, guys, kapag nakapag-expend kayo at least 20,000 within 60 days of approval, ay magkakaroon ka ng 4,000 cash credits at i-enjoy mo yung no annual fees for life. So, ganun siya kadali, guys. Kaya lang, ginawa ko to, guys, at i-share ko sa inyo kung paano ako na-approve. Pero, by the way, usually, ang mga na-approve dito is 15,000. So, paano ba natin ma-avail yung no annual fees for life? So, ganito siya, guys. No, clinic ko yung link nung isang content creator kung paano tayo gagawa ng application kay Union Bank. So, ito yung minimum annual income mo dapat ay 180,000. And then, meron din siyang 3% interest rate at magkakaroon ka ng free annual fee pag nagawa mo gamit dito with 20,000. So, una, kailangan mo muna ilagay yung personal info. Usually, yun naman palaging hinihingi, di ba guys? First name, last name, phone number, email, alternative phone number, monthly income, kung meron ka ba bang existing credit card, kung meron kang trabaho, at yun. Then, after that, pag nasagutan mo na yan, click mo lang yung I agree to terms and I would like to receive updates. Then, click submit. After that, dediretso ka dito sa website ni Union Bank. So, do you have principal credit card with another bank? So, meron ako, which is a CIMB Revi Credit. So, yan yung vlog ko na guys, yung Revi Credit ko na meron din akong virtual credit card. So, click ko lang yung next. Then, is your annual income at least 180,000? So, click ko yung yes. Then, i-click mo lang yung next. Then, dito sa credit card verification, lagay mo lang yung contact number mo at yung ID na ibibigay mo sa kanila. So, sa akin kasi pinili ko is UMID card. And after dito, make sure your ID is valid for at least 30 calendar days. Must be valid po to IT card. Must match with the name you provided. And then, ano pa ba? Yan yung mga requirements para sa ID. Then, after that, click mo lang yung box na I confirm. Then, click continue. So, dito kailangan natin mag-submit ng identity card, which is yung ating isasubmit na ID. So, sa akin nga is UMID. So, pero kailangan nila ng front and back. So, take photo nyo lang. So, katulad nito. Then, click upload. Next naman, sa back ng card. Then, upload. Then, after that, kailangan mo mag-selfie. So, dito guys, kailangan face forward and remove your glasses if necessary. Then, click continue. Allow camera access. So, enable camera nyo lang. Then, keep your face within the oval. So, ayan. Tsura ko, guys. Then, click mo lang yung button sa baba. Then, check your selfie. Yan. Then, click upload. So, dito, guys, kailangan pa nila ng ibang information. So, kailangan nyo ng title. Kung Miss, Mr. o Mrs. Then, yung mga basic info na kailangan. And then, dito na tayo sa ID natin, ID type, yung UMID card, then yung details ng ID, ID number, birthday, at saka email address na gagamitin nyo. Then, click nyo lang yung I confirm and I authorize Union Bank to get my personal data. Then, after that, click nyo lang yung confirm and continue. So, nailagay ko na aking email. So, click nyo lang ulit yung dalawang box and confirm and continue. Then, after mag-loading, kailangan pa na iba pang requirements na info sa employment na tayo guys. So dito, married tayo. Kailangan ng civil status, nationality, employment sector, nature of business, position, job. Yan. So ganyan naman always kapag about sa pera ang ating kailangan gawin. Then, employer business name, then gross annual income. So, dito sa gross annual income, ilagay nyo na kung magkano yung nilagay natin noong una, which is 180,000. Pero kung more than that, yung nakukuha nyo annual, much better. So, after that, click nyo lang yung confirm and continue. Yan. So, review natin. So, kung tama lahat ng details. So, yung kailangan, lagay din natin yung home address. After that, ay yung preferred mailing address. So, lagay nyo lang home. And then, dito sa dulo, yung source of funds. May pagpipilian kayo, guys. So, ang pinili ko is salary. And then, click nyo lang yung confirm and continue. Then, ito na, you have successfully completed your application. So, meron akong reference number. Click natin yung return. So, ito yun guys, sa panood ko sa TikTok. So, may na-receive na ako na email. I-check ng your representative kung eligible ba tayo magkaroon ng Union Bank Rewards Credit Card. So, may tatawag sa ating representative within 4 to 5 days. So, may tumawag naman sa akin yan guys. Then, after nyan, thank you for interest in applying. So, meron nag-message sa akin na tutulong sila para ma-approve agad yung rewards credit card natin. So, yung pag clinic mo kasi yung click the application link below to apply, uulit lang ulit to. So, inulit ko siya guys. Yan, inulit ko lang yung ginawa natin.
2 days later.
Then ito, may tumawag na sa akin. Sinasabi ko kanina na kino-confirm nila kung ako ba talaga yung nag-apply nung card na yon. So, after nyan, few steps away from getting your Union Bank Rewards Credit Card. So, yan. Kailangan mo na i-click yung complete application. So, one-time password. So, umulit-ulit ako sa application reference number. Then, after ng ilang days, ay may nag-message ulit sa akin sa email na we are happy to share that your Union Bank Rewards Platinum Visa application has been approved. Yun. So, na-approve na tayo. Then, you may now use your virtual credit card for your online purchases. So, yan. Since meron na tayong Union Bank app, ito yung vlog ko na yun, guys, kung saan naka-avail din tayo ng quick loan before, ay yun din natin ipapasok yung account natin kay Union Bank Virtual Credit Card. Ang na-avail ko is 15,000. Yun yung na-avail ko sa kanya. So, yan. Yan. Ito yung na-add ko na siya sa aking dashboard ng Union Bank app. Meron na account number sa dulo, nakalagay. So, ayan. So, bali tatlo na siya. Makikita nyo, guys. So, dito, guys, na meron tayong secondary supplementary card. So, ito naman, guys, yung card mismo na ipapadala sa ating mailing address. Tapos, yung isa virtual card naman. So, pwede mo siyang gamitin both through online and then kapag magbabayad ka sa mga pagbibila mo like SM, fast food, yan. So, kung saan ka pwede bumili. So, ito yung guys, yung dashboard ko sa aking Union Bank app. Makikita nyo, dalawa siya. Kasi yung isa supplementary, yung isa virtual. Then, yung isa yung sa savings. So, tatlo na yan. So, kapag nag-add kayo ng account, let's say, na-avail nyo rin yung quick loan, i-click nyo lang sa taas yung nakalagay na add or manage. So, yan yung ginagawa ko kapag gusto ko makita lahat. Naka-receive na rin ako ng text na papuparating na ngayon aking package, which is yung credit card ng Union Bank Rewards. So, ito nga yun siya. Na-receive ko na. Yan. So, yan guys. Meron na akong card kay Union Bank Rewards Visa Platinum. So, ayun guys, na meron akong credit limit na 15,000. So, kung may magtatanong, paano yun ma-avail yung free annual fee and 40, yung 4K na cash gift kung 15,000 lang yung credit limit. Meron ako napanood din sa TikTok na kailangan gamitin mo siya ngayon yung 15 kasi within 2 months yun guys, within 60 days. So, gamitin mo sa unang buwan yung 15,000, so may darating na bill, so kailangan mo bayaran yon para mag-replenish, mag-back to zero. Then, gamitin mo ulit yung 5,000 na remaining para matotal yung 20,000 na kailangan nila para makuha mo yung free annual fee at saka yung 4,000 na cash gift. So, ganun siya kadali guys. So, I hope na nakatulong itong video ko for today and thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye!